Hi everyone, this is Jonathan from LCDglue.com. We have a new repair for you guys to look out for, or actually a solution, and we call it the static problem. Now, a lot of people call it the black threading or black treading, and I don't know, I guess static would be a good name for it. We have seen this issue in the beginning when we first started doing this, and there's a very popular video out there that has like over 150,000 views, and it shows you to remove the clear piece on top off. And the main reason why he does that is if you got a lot of scratches on the top film, the clear film, gouges, things that you want to get rid of, you don't want your final product to have. Again, the glue, the Loca will fill in most of this stuff, but if it's really badly damaged, yeah, you're going to be tempted to actually remove this film. Now, when you remove this film, there's a problem. Shortly here, you're going to see a picture showing you of what it's supposed to look like. This is what it originally looked like. Now, it's a silver conductive line across the whole screen, and you can see like a backwards L on the left-hand side. When you remove this and you make a short in it, like this one, another example, this one's cut in various places. Maybe not that bad, but if you look closely here, I'm going to point to the actual spot where it's missing. So basically there's a short in whatever this thing is. It's either a ground or some sort of a dissipator. I don't really know. I haven't really dug down deep into it. I wanted to show everybody the fix, and happy to have a fix because this is an issue. So basically what I'm saying is, if you're experiencing this issue with the black treading, black threading, whatever, static problem, here's the actual fix for it and to regain that LCD back. So here's a close-up shot of what you should be expecting. It will be coming in the syringe and the needle. This way you can apply it a little bit more accurate. In the future we plan on having something like a template or a guide for you guys to put on, so it's not that hard. This is really actually pretty basic. You just got to put back what was there in the first place. Now, we haven't actually mastered the use of this syringe yet, or exactly where we can and cannot put the conductive paste, I guess. So this is going to be a really rough idea of where you should be putting it. Ideally, I would like to make it look exactly how it was before, but without some sort of an automated applicator like with a CNC or so. That just can't be done by hand. So I'm looking into a few different ways where we're gonna make this a lot easier for you guys, a lot less of a cleanup. This stuff goes on liquidy and it dries out, so you do gotta wait a little while, add a little extra time to your repairs if you're having this issue in the first place. One thing I do want to point out is do not get any of that stuff under that metal piece right there, because the first screen I did with this, I burnt it. So don't make a short like I did. You don't want to hit it there with this stuff. Now, I do realize it's not in this video, but what I optimally would want to do is put two pieces of Scotch tape on the upper part of the glass where it's black, where the customer won't see anything, and to match OEM standard. A little line, apply the stuff, let it dry, then peel off the Scotch tape. You want to be as far away from the metal piece that you see on the LCD connector, but not so far down where it's interfering with the LCD screen itself. Now, if you're confused about what I'm talking about, all you have to do is go back in this video where I showed an original unbroken conductive line and use that for comparison. And if you've been working with these for a while, you'll see the exact difference from what I did and compared to what comes on the OEM. So maybe like 2 millimeters down and it would be just fine. As you can see in this part of the video, the static is completely gone. We can't even replicate the problem anymore using balloons, staticky hands, or even trying to cause static on the actual LCD screen. So this is one way to fix the static problems if you're having them or encountering them. Finally, a way to fix them. Originally I thought just putting a brand new polarizer would work, and I was actually wrong, but I am glad that this issue was resolved and we're here showing it to you today. If you learned something from this video, hit the like button. If you have any questions, please comment and subscribe.